In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Ecwid store to a Google Sites website in a few simple steps. Whether you're setting up an online presence for your business or just want to integrate e-commerce functionality, linking Ecwid with Google Sites is straightforward and effective. So let's dive in. Firstly, we need to access your Ecwid account. Head over to the Ecwid website by typing in www.ecwid.com and logging into your account. Once you've logged into your Ecwid dashboard, it's time to navigate and grab the embed code for your store. The embed code is what will allow you to integrate the store seamlessly into your Google Sites page. In your Ecwid dashboard, look for the option labeled Website. It's typically under a broader category where you can manage the platform integrations for your store. You'll see a section called Add your store to one or more websites. Click Pick Platform, then select Custom Website and follow the link to learn more. This takes you to the page where we'll get the much needed Ecwid store embed code. Once there, look for the Copy Code to Clipboard button. Click this to capture your store's integration code. Now let's shift gears to Google Sites. Open a new browser tab and go to sites.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in using your Google credentials. Once in, pick the Google site you want to enhance with your Ecwid store. Navigate to the page where you'd like your store to be visible. If you don't have one set up, feel free to create a new page within your Google site. This flexibility allows you to customize what your visitors will see when they land on your site. With your page open, look to the right hand menu and find the embed option. Click on it and you'll find an embed window popping up. Make sure to switch to the embed code tab, as this is where you'll paste the code copied from Ecwid. Now paste the Ecwid JavaScript code you copied earlier into the provided field. This is a crucial step as it directly links your Ecwid store to the Google site. Once you've pasted the code, simply click Next to confirm the code entry and then hit Insert. Your store is now embedded onto your page. Before we wrap it up, there's one more step to ensure everything is live and working correctly. Click the Publish button located in the top right corner of the screen. This will make your changes public and ensure your store is live for your visitors to see. And that's it, you've successfully integrated your Ecwid store into a Google site. This powerful combination can help you reach more customers and make your site much more dynamic. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to guides. Thanks for watching and happy selling.